Today we're going to be working on a 7.3 2002 cold air intake S&B. Got the parts all together. Probably the hardest part was fitting the turbo onto your pipe and tightening it down. And then putting the plexiglass in the rubber is pretty easy. Taking it out is pretty simple. On the old one you have those two bolts, and then you have these four in the air box, and it pulls right out, and then you have your air filter here. I'm going to do a couple more videos off of this thing. We have completely pulled the turbo off of it, and we're going to put a new flywheel. That's the rain. It is raining pretty hard here. And I'll do a full booster video. But you're going to start out with this battery tray, and you get all the bolts. I printed this out. This don't come with the thing, but it's a little printout of how to do it. You get a little instruction thing, a QR code, and you can just print it out. Here's all my bolts and stuff, and I'll just do a quick setup video walkthrough on how to get all this in and screwed down. Alright, so just you can almost just tap it down, and it gets pretty tight without having to get this crescent wrench up under there. Once you get that, you normally can just slide this on there. You gotta make sure that's straight. And then after that, your battery holder tray thing is complete. I think I'm gonna leave out. No, that's on the side of it. So this, so you're gonna make sure you have your seal down here. Y'all see that? Yeah. So you're gonna take, so you have one larger seal than this that goes down here for your filter, and this will all kind of even out once you get it back here, and it'll tighten up like that's tight. So that'll run right into your pipe to your engine. You still will use that. You will still use. So this is the cover. This is my airbox cover. You need to take this piece off. So you have the little pipe that comes out of the. You just need to take this off. Make sure you include this hose because it goes down there in your engine. Once you have all this in, you're gonna take these bolts. They are part number, I don't know why they don't tell you your part number on here. That makes me really mad. They're part number 1127. And these with a washer. So you're actually going to take this out. Your filter probably should go in last. I think I messed up just a little bit, but I think I can reach around and get in there. Alright, so you're going to take a washer. I'm not installing this yet. I'm just showing y'all how to do it. Take your bolt washer and your nut, and you are going to screw it in there, one in there. Once you get your piece that actually breathes in the air in right down there, once you get that in, you'll have another spot for this to go right here. And this should be installed first. It's second, your battery holder. This needs to be in there and flush, and then add this. Do not put this in second, because you cannot fit this in there second. This does not fit in second. You need to put that bolt in there and get a nut and put it on the end and make it tight to your battery holder before you put this in. Alright, once you have that in, bolt, this is all, they're all the same. You have 4 of them in there. There's 4 spots, 2 right here, 2 right here, and you're just going to put a nut. There's 4 nuts in here on the end of them. Then probably install y'all's filter. I said that to do that first. If y'all already did that, that's okay.